Welcome, grade 6. Today we're going to talk about the process of making electricity from coal in a power station. So today we're going to talk about the process of making electricity from the power station. Welcome to my classroom. I am Sir Rudolph Matumbo. I am a professional teacher. I hold a degree in education and I am SAYS registered. If you need revision with all CAPS aligned subjects, you are in the right place. Please subscribe for more revisions. If you need private tutoring, please contact me using the contact details provided in the description of this video. Okay, let's get into today's lesson. So here we have got steps. So step number 1 says coal is transported from a coal mine to a power station. So if we look here, this is coal and this is a truck. They say coal is transported from where? From the coal mine to this is the power station. So coal is transported from coal mine to the power station. So number 2, they say at the power station, the coal is ground into a fine powder, which is called pulverized. So when this coal reaches at the power station, they grind it. They grind it into a fine powder. Number 3 says the ground coal then goes into a container where it is burned. So, and we look at this is our coal. They are now putting it into, this is what they call the container. So they put this coal here and you can see now it is burning. So number 4, they say the heat generated from the burning coal is used to boil water in a huge boiler. So they say this burning coal is used to boil this water. So this is water. So it boils the water. The heat here boils the water. You can see the water is going up here and going down and going up the pipes and going down. So the water here is being boiled. So when this water boils, it starts giving off from here. This is the steam. So in this, water is being boiled, and this water is boiling while it goes through the pipes. These are steel pipes. So this water goes through the steel pipes and they are burning. And then when this water burns and boils, it turns into a steam. So now number 5 says, the boiling water produces the steam that turns a turbine. A turbine is a big wheel which turns. So they say when this water is boiling here, it gives off this steam. So this steam travels with high pressure and it comes to this. This is what is called a turbine. So this turbine, because of, we said this is the steam. So because this steam provides pressure to this turbine, so this turbine starts turning here, starts turning, and when it turns, you can see it is connected to a generator. This is a generator. So when this turbine starts turning here, this generator starts generating electricity. Here are the wires. So this generator starts generating electricity. So when we come here, this steam, after turning the turbine, when it cools down, it comes back to the container of water where it will be boiled and it goes back, and then it continues through the pipes, it turns into the steam. So the process continues over and over and over and over again. Let us look at the last 2 points. So they say the turbine is linked to a generator which uses a coil. So that generator has a coil to produce energy. From the generator, the electric current is transported or carried by a system of electrical transmission lines, also called the power lines, and substations to our home. So, in short, this is what happens when electricity is generated in a coal power station. Coal is transported from the coal mine coming to the power station. From here, they grind the coal and pour it into the container, where here they burn it. So when it burns here, the heat boils this water, and when this water boils, it gives off the steam, and this steam, with its pressure, it starts turning the turbine, turning the turbine, turning the turbine. The turbine, you can see it's linked to a generator outside. So the generator generates electricity, and the steam here, when it cools down, it comes back to the container of water, and the process continues over and over and over again. Thanks for watching this video up until this point. It shows that you are serious about your education. Remember, if you want to learn something, repetition is the mother of all learning. So it is very important that you keep on repeating this video until you grasp all the concepts that I explained here. If you feel that there are some things that I didn't cover in this video, please do not hesitate to put it in the comment section.